Imagine a world where AI can watch and understand video just like a human, only faster and smarter. With NVIDIA's new video analytics AI agents, powered by vision language models, you can ask natural language questions about live or recorded footage and get instant, accurate answers. These agents are already transforming factories, retail stores, airports, and even traffic intersections, analyzing video at scale, spotting anomalies, and giving operations teams superpowers to make better decisions. The best part? Developers can now build their own agents using the NVIDIA AI Blueprint for video search and summarization, deploying everything from a single GPU to the cloud, and even processing audio for richer insights. This is the future of automation, and it's here today. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to @TheNeuralAI for more cutting-edge AI innovations.